fixation. Door after door I find that it is just a digital hallucination. I want to find her